how to add notes to your close friends. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Talks. Today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how we can add the notes just to our close friends. Let's dive in the tutorial. First, open the Instagram app and make sure to log into your account. Now slide right in order to go to the DMs. There you can see the option where you can add the notes, where you can see your profile, and above that there is what's new. Tap on it to add the notes. There, type the thing that you want to add notes or add music to show to your close friends. Now at the bottom beside share, there you can see followers you follow back. Tap on it and the next option would be close friends. Tap on the close friends option and tap share. And voila, your notes is added to your close group of friends only now. If you like this content, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more similar tech content.